What about now? Sound is good? Yep. Okay, great. So, guys, if you haven't heard anything from what I said so far, okay, Mr. Carlos, good morning. Aviator, good morning. Or Ruben, I think it's Ruben, right? The Aviator and Nick, good morning, guys. Thanks for joining us. Now, I said that the market opened with why you guys say no sound? You should have. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, so all good now. The market's open without gaps, as you guys saw, and you can see on the chart here, of course. Then, excuse me for that. Let's start with the WTI because it's an interesting setup for those who are on the channel, on the Telegram channel. You see, guys, that I post all the analysis I do on TradingView during the weekend, and also this morning I posted a trading setup here, if you guys saw it. And yeah, I made a good analysis on WTI and gold during the weekend, and I sent it out so you can watch it. So back to TradingView now. The WTI on the weekly chart. Price moved within a channel and it found some resistance here. On the daily chart, we do expect the price to retrace around 61.8% of the FIB number, and it just tapped early this morning into this area and it starts selling off. On the hourly time frame, you see this congestion here. We do expect to have some move to the downside, to be honest, like this, the market to make this move so it can fill up this gap here. That's my estimation for this one. Also on the gold, starting from the weekly chart, looks like market want to retrace a little bit, but prior that sorry, it want to continue in the downtrend, but prior that it has retraced a little bit, right? And on the 4-hour chart, we can see that this consolidation, it broke to the upside that expected. I had this from the analysis of the weekend. So, and price, we do expect it to push higher and then move lower to give us the entry. The nice thing with this, guys, the gold, and keep it on your watch list. I'll mark it as green here because we want to be bullish on that one. The good thing with this one is that it left a gap early this morning, and usually the gaps are always filled in the Forex market. So we will try to find some short entries. I want to trade only bearish engulfing. So far, no bearish engulfing on the hourly chart. If this close below the previous candle low, that's going to be considered as a bearish engulfing, and I will be definitely looking to sell this one here, okay, because the reward to risk is also favorable. If we're going to enter short there with a stop loss approximately around was that the short? Yep. Up. Let's check it here. Yep, stop loss somewhere there around 1980. Entry if we're going to close as a bearish engulfing, and by the time the price is going to come to fill up this gap and tap at this area of support, the broken swing, it's going to give a 2-to-1. So these are the trades would like to take, guys. Okay, these type of trades are the high probable trade setups. Next one, pound US dollar. Starting from the weekly chart, the price printed this bullish candle here. Therefore, we do expect to see the price to move higher, but understand we are in a downtrend. And in a downtrend, more likely we're going to see bearish candles than bullish candles. But the overall analysis on the weekly chart is that price is down, and zooming on a price action, this is a reversal price action, and it is at a very close area of support. Therefore, we can focus on some bullishness. But again, we need to have higher highs and higher lows in the time frame we want to trade. So we're gonna have a high probability set up. All right. On the hourly chart now, looks like sellers are in control. Again, the non-farm payrolls, here is the thing. Non-farm payrolls here, they sold off massively, and the market retraced within 3 hours. But it retraced 100% on the move of a very low volume. What does it mean? It means it's a kind of weakness in the market. Therefore, maybe this move here, it was very unlikely that it had to happen, but it did. So bearish engulfing here, maybe it can start the beginning of some move to the downside. When the weekly and the daily, they don't match each other, that's where the cluster and the issue comes, to be honest. So guys, any currency pair you are watching, and by the way, I will keep these webinars very short, max 15 minutes. I will try to finish in about 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, okay? Because you are all following the YouTube channel, right? And you can see all the videos and extensive analysis here. I also put reels. You are on the Telegram, and if you are not on my Telegram channel, I encourage everyone to get into the Telegram so you can receive all the free signals I'm sending out. I'll post the link. You can find the link as well on my profile here on YouTube. Oh, where did I press now? Anyway, if you click on the YouTube profile, you can see how you can join the Telegram. Again, it's for free, no charge. So it's going to be for your own benefit, guys, if you join it. Euro US dollar sold off too much, bearish engulfing here. We do expect the price to retrace a little bit more. That's the hourly chart. But again, weekly is down, daily is down, but with no reversal price action. Guys, keep that in mind. When there is no reversal price action, it's a bit hard to get into the trades. Let's say on the hourly chart we want to sell, but the daily chart it's at it it's with a bullish engulfing, and we want to sell the hourly chart. It's not that high probability. Okay, so keep an eye on that and keep it in mind. Now, for those who are not on Telegram channel yet, the signal I sent out early this morning, it's a sell stop order, and the sell stop order means we want to sell below, and I put the numbers. I have a pending order to sell below this low point here with a stop loss at 45 pips and a take profit at 90 pips. It's somewhere here. Okay. And why I do that? Because the market already made a new high, and on the lower time frames, buyers are in control. So if it's going to make a new low and take the previous candle's low, it means that the momentum shifted drastically within an hour, and it's a very strong indication that the market can move lower. That's why we do these setups, and I posted that it's valid only for 1 hour. So by 8 a.m. GMT, if it's not get triggered, then we're gonna cancel the order. All right. And just keep an eye on the channel because I'm going to send any other signals maybe come. If we're going to have on a 15-minute time frame a signal to fill up this gap, we're going to take it. So I will post it on the channel, but I need to see the right setup. If the right setup is not there, then of course no signal will be there. The open on the DAX, we can do the open on the DAX. Can you guys watch the live without problems? Here is hanging all the time. Do you guys have a, does it buffering when you are watching the live? Okay. Okay, so we need to, I will sort it out, guys. Just please understand that we just start the lives and yeah, I'm gonna find the way to sort everything out for you. Don't worry about that. So maybe for the London Open, maybe we can do instead of a YouTube live, maybe we can be on the Telegram. Maybe it's going to be easier to do the live from there. If there is a way, I have to look at that. But today, because we are here, yes, we're going to do the London Open. So next one, Australian dollar, US dollar. Here is the daily chart. Yes, guys, I understand it's uh, I also can see it now on the on my end that it buffers a little bit while we do this live. So bear with me and I'm going to find the solution in the next few days for you. Okay. Thanks for your understanding. So Australian dollar, US dollar on the daily chart, we have this break below the most recent swing. Market pushed a little bit higher, but we are in a downtrend, very clear downtrend and well defined as well. So we're going to be looking to sell the Australian dollar against the US dollar. On the 4-hour chart, though, that's an interesting, it's not a bearish engulfing, it's almost a bearish engulfing. That's why I'm not interested to take the trade right now short, but I will be interested on the 15-minute chart after a new lower high and lower lower curve to get into it and pretty much sell it. But the weakness on the euro and the pound around the London Open, it's more obvious. So maybe here it's going to be a good opportunity to sell because already formed the bearish engulfing, and we will see if that's going to maintain. USD Canadian dollar, we do expect minimal move today because both major banks, they will be closed due to their own holidays. Nevertheless, on the daily chart, price is retracing. There is a healthy move from the RSI. To be honest, it doesn't show any strong divergences. So if the price can maintain above this swing, then we're going to see some more bullishness. But if the price cannot maintain above this swing and is Rumen, it's on the hourly chart. Rumen, are you by any chance on the Telegram channel as well? If you are on the Telegram channel, you will be able to get the signals. If not, I'll show you how to join, of course. So guys, if you go to my YouTube channel where you currently are, right, if you click about, You can see here Telegram. You press the links on Telegram. On TradingView, I post every day at least 2 to 3 charts every day on TradingView. I share them on Twitter, so it's good because you can follow on Twitter and TradingView. So these are the three major channels: Telegram, TradingView, and Twitter and YouTube, of course, where I post all the market analysis, and um, you're gonna be able to keep up all the time. Guys, try to go on the Telegram, and if you go on the Telegram, I will try to make uh, to push you a call from there for the live for the DAX Open trade for the live trading. If you can do that, that will be awesome. If it's buffering a lot and it's hard for you to read the markets, then let's try an alternative method. So on the hourly chart, we have a pending order here, but it hasn't triggered yet. Looks like it's not gonna be triggered. On the 5-minute chart though, it's gonna be, I believe, a nice setup for the London breakout. So we're gonna go for a buy stop if the price maintain in the next 10 minutes below this high point here. Gonna go for a buy stop order here with a stop loss about 20 points and try to catch up the 2 to 1. So we're still watching the DAX. Let's wait for the price to see where it's going to go. We still have another 10 minutes. Okay, great. So we are watching the 5-minute chart on the DAX 40. We are waiting for the London Open to apply the breakout strategy. Well, another 8 minutes. So you guys trade Bitcoin. If you trade Bitcoin daily chart, it starts around this area of resistance, and I do expect to see weakness on the market and the price to move kind like this with a retracement and then continues. What else? Natural gas on the rally, of course. After this heavily accumulation here, the price finally broke to the upside. And we expect the gap to be filled. So there is still room for the price to move. For our charts, higher highs and higher lows. There are no corrections to take advantage of that. Five minutes for the London Open. Guys, for the London Open, you can, if you want to buy the breakout here, a buy stop order can be applied this point. I will go only for 20 points stop loss, and I will target this area here. So it's about 30 points. If you want to go accurate in the zone, it's more than 2 to 1. All right, but if only if price taps into this area, yep. If not, we don't take this trade. The trade I placed on the hourly time frame, it's still valid in case price make a new low below here, and if it makes this new low, it's going to fill the order, and hopefully it's going to continue moving lower. You see, guys, how on Bollinger Bands it's very accurate, and the bands are one of the best indicators to filter trades in forex, in general in volatile markets, not only in forex, but even the price action here. You see, it start at the top of the band and it pushed lower instantly. So it's a great indicator. That's why I love to use it. It's my strategies are around Bollinger Bands, so it's like the entry criteria. They need to be fulfill the requirements with pricing combination with the Bollinger Bands. Strong sell-off on the DAX. Yeah, USD CHF weekly chart. Finally, we put this reversal candle, and yeah, after this almost 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 guys, after 3 months of straight strike upward move on the USD CHF, finally a reversal price action printed here. So so on the daily chart we expect to see some come on, we expect to see some more continuation, heavy bearish divergence printed on the RSI. We're going to scroll on the lower time frames, like 4-hour chart, lower highs and lower lows here. You see lower highs and lower lows. So if somewhere here price gets rejected, we're going to try to sell all the way down, all this weakness.